Hey everyone, Leanne here from Kingdom Bloggers. So it's been a while since we've done an unboxing and review, but I just got my newest Artza box in the mail yesterday. This is the Land of Promises box. So if you are a subscriber and you get these monthly, this is the one you're going to be getting this month. If you're not a subscriber, then you can see all the really cool stuff that they put inside these, and they are a quarterly box. So they put a new one out about every 3 months, and they're themed to different areas of the country and just different things. So it's really cool. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside today. All right, so there's kind of things like every box kind of follows a pattern of what's inside, and so it's going to be a combination of things from local artisans and creators, recipes, just spices, things like that. So there'll be some art, some food related items, also information. There's always these really pretty postcards. So if you're someone who likes, scenery, you can see these are, and on the backs of these, so this one is actually the ingredients for, I'm guessing, the spices or something that's going to be inside here. So we'll find that out in just a minute. And then these little information cards are for the individual artisans whose products are included in the box. So I think it's really cool when we support Israel. We're not just supporting the country itself, we're supporting the businesses, the small businesses that are being impacted by what is going on over there right now. Because if you didn't know, most everybody there that is of military age is required to serve. And so, that could wipe out an entire business's employee staff. And so anything that we can do to help them keep their businesses open is really good. All right, so let's move on. What is this here? Oh, wow. They have a Holy Brew. So it is a new coffee that you can actually get. I'm hoping there's some in here. Oh, God. Holy Brew coffee. I am actually going to try this in the morning because I do still have a coffee pot that uses regular powder. And I have a K cup, or a Keurig, but I do have one of these on standby for that. So this is a robust and powerful medium dark roast, indulging a rich, bold flavor that leads your senses on an unforgettable journey. I love coffee, y'all. So we're definitely going to try this. All right. So what else do we got here? Okay. Intensive black mud body cream. So that's another thing. So there's food items, art kind of things, as well as body care, beauty and body care. And so this is a black mud cream. This little thing off here. There we go. And I may have to do another small video with me actually using this stuff. So it's not black, but it smells really good. Oh, it smells really good. It's kind of like, I mean, it smells like mud or clay, but soft, not quite floral. I really like the smell of that. So we're gonna have to try that for sure. So again, all right, what else do we got? So I think this is a little cutout here in the shape of the country. So let's see what goes in this. Quite sure. This, I'm gonna have to put my glasses on here, guys. Nice. Here we go. Oh, they're like little dice. All right. Look at this little paper. Oh, it's like a game. Okay. Five Stones is a game played for generations in Jerusalem alleys and is now for you to enjoy. And there's actually a QR code on here so you can learn how to play it. So let's take that. And what do we got here? All right. Dead Sea Gourmet Salt. There's 4 different ones in here. Let's open these up and see. Hot chili pepper salt. Look like Himalayan sea salt. Get them out of there. All right. Smoked salt. Ooh, I might have to try that one. That one's kind of a tan, orange tan. Mint and sun-dried tomato. You know what? I need to smell this. Sure. Oh yeah, this smoked one. Oh man, that would be good on some barbecue. Something that you're cooking up on the grill. Try this chili pepper one. You can smell the chilies in that. This one is very subtle, but you can smell the sun-dried tomato smell in it. And this one is just black coarse salt. Look, y'all, black salt. How cool is that? No smell, but you know what? It's black. I want to taste it. Tastes like salt. Interesting. Never seen black salt before. All right, so we got our sea salts and ooh, milk chocolate bar with cocoa beans and hazelnut crunch. Love me some sweet. And oh, this is a nice little wall hanging thing. And you shall be blessed. So it's a wall hanger. It's wood with a little metal on it. And then this is nice. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. May those who love you enjoy tranquility. Psalms 122:6. It's kind of a, what do you call it? Like embroidery. It's really nice. Here, the card in there. All right. Let's see what else. I think that's it for this month. So not quite sure what this is for, but I mean, I could put it on my desk to put pens and pencils in, or maybe actually use it in my bathroom to keep cotton balls or something in. It's like brass. It's really pretty. Let's look at some of these other. So don't forget about the coffee. So our recipe is for spinach and cheese boracas, which are just basically puff pastries. And so let's see. This is all stuff you can find at the store. It's pretty simple. Spinach, feta cheese, ricotta cheese, onion, garlic, egg, salt, black pepper, olive oil, and poppy seeds. So I'll have to try these. That's it. So this was a really nice box. I am actually super excited for the coffee. Well, I gotta open it. I gotta smell it and see how it's. All over my desk. Oh, it smells like a barista. It smells like a coffee shop. So good. Okay, so anyway, this is super cool. It's not your typical kind of subscription box, but this is really great for families who want to teach their children a little more about the history of Israel, while also supporting their local businesses. These are all small businesses. These aren't big corporations that have funding from beyond the pocket and so forth. And so this is a really great way for those of you who feel like how can I support, what's happening over there? We're like a continent away or an ocean away. So it's just a really great way to learn a little more about the country while also supporting the small businesses that are being impacted by everything that's happening. And so you can go to the website, artza.com, and you can get a little, actually, they will show you on the website past boxes, you can look at some of my previous videos. I'll link them below to see some of the cool stuff that's been in past boxes to give you kind of an idea of the variety of what you get every time. But typically, like I mentioned before, it includes some sort of art piece or more. Like this one had a couple of different art pieces. It almost always includes some kind of baking kind of thing. This one actually had the chocolate candy and the sea salt. It almost always includes some sort of beauty product. And so this month it was this. There was another month I got like a nice clay mask. It was really good. And also a refreshing face wash that was, I think it had pomegranate or something. It was really nice. Um, and then, of course, also just information about the different artisans that are included in the box. So go out and support them. I have a discount code linked below. So if you do want to try it, you can get a little bit of a discount on your first box. Um, but let me know what you think. If you've gotten them in the past, leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought about some of the past things that were included in them. And really let me know why you get the box. Like, is there a personal reason, or if it's more like you just want to learn more? I would love to hear why people are buying this box. So let me know. I will see you guys all in the next unboxing. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.